What's up guys, Mike Tech Tactical here. So we have a unboxing for you. It is from, again, Urban Armor Gear, UAG. This is for your Apple Watch 5 or your Apple Watch Series 4 in the 44 millimeter casing, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, but before we do that, take a nice packaging from UAG. I really like how they package everything. Nice and compact, very detailed of what the product offers. Okay, you can pause and read that for yourself right there. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Right now, as you can see, I do not have a case around the watch. My old case I had was a sub case, but overall, let's take a look at this casing right here. So I was expecting this to be rubberized, but it's not. It's like a hard shell plastic. Inside, you see that rubber finish. I believe that's one of their moldings they have so you can keep the watch protected. It looks like that I can just snap this on right over the top, and let's go ahead and try to do that right now. I hope this is the way to do it because that'll be an ultimate failure, right? And it fits just like a glove. Beautiful. So there you guys go. Let me put my pin right quick and we can take a look at the watch here. So my watch face is at like this orange color, matching the orange on the sides and little hints of orange here on the corners. Now, what I like about this case, it doesn't cover this portion. As you know, some cases they cover this portion, and when you sweat, all that gunk, that residual dirt stays within that case and it gets all gunky. If you guys wondering what kind of band I'm using a Catalyst band. All right, I like this band a lot, this olive green color, army green, military green, whatever you want to call it. But I like this look a lot. Very, very nice. Nice case. Very, very nice. I'm scared my dog. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is Mike Tech Tactical. Peace.